In the first part of the video, we have seen that the court was ready to trial the case of Shamatthew. Judges, clerks, policemen, and people were present in the court. Now the story moves ahead. When Madeline reached the court, he searched for the Inspector Javert, but he couldn't see him. Inspector was not there. Madeline found at the very moment of his arrival, the counsel was finishing his part before the judges. The counsel said that his client who was the accused and prisoner was not a thief. He had not stolen the apples. There was no evidence for it. Nobody had seen his client, that is Shamatthew, scaling the wall or breaking off the branch. His client had found the apples on the ground. There was no doubt in the fact there had been a thief, but there was no proof, no evidence that the thief was Shamatthew. He had never been convicted in his life. There was no single thing. His lawyer tried to tell the judge that he had been a good person in his whole life. With this, the counsel, the accused's lawyer, established the fact before the court that Shamatthew was innocent, he was not a thief. Now it's prosecuting attorney's turn. He came in the defense to the counsel saying, he said that Shamatthew was the Jean Valjean. He had been identified by 4 witnesses, Javert, the inspector, and 3 convicts. The attorney concluded his pleas before the judges, saying that Petit Jahwe affair was enough to prove him guilty, and he demanded a sentence, means punishment, at full extent of the law, means according to the law. He should be punished a lot for his guilty. And I would like to remind you, we have seen in the first video, Petit was the small boy in the story whom Valjean had robbed shortly after leaving his hometown Digne. The accused became irritated and upset. He said the lawyer that he was a very bad man. He once again, the lawyer was very bad man. He once again clarified that he had not stolen the apples. That day he was coming from alley. It's a place name. Walking alone, and he found a branch on the ground with apples on that. He picked up those apples innocently. He had no idea what would cause him those apples. Second thing, he didn't know any person like Jean Valjean. He was not the person. His name was Shamatthew. He had worked for Monsieur Ballot. Why everybody was behind him like a mad dog? The prosecuting attorney confirmed the court that Monsieur Ballot, the former master wheelwright, had been searched, but he was found nowhere. So the judge asked him again 2 questions. First, had he stolen the apples breaking the wall? Second, was he or was he not Jean Valjean? The prisoner didn't give any answer. He remained silent. When the prosecuting attorney asked that, he said nothing what was asked by the judge. It was the time of closing the case. The judge asked the accused if he had anything to say to the court in his defense. Shamatthew, the accused, told the court that he had worked as a wheelwright. What is wheelwright? A person who makes or repairs the wooden wheels at Paris. He was 53 years old. He earned only 30 sous. It's a former French coin a day. Means he earned only 30 sous a day. He was paid very little by his former owner. If the court had doubt, they could go to see Monsieur Ballot, his owner, and check the fact. He had nothing more to say. He didn't know what more the court wanted to know him. The government lawyer requested the judge and the court to call again the three convicts and the inspector Javert to identify the accused. A final interrogation must be done to make the case solved. Here we came to know that the case was going to be tough. The main issue of the case was the identification of the accused. The accused himself and his lawyer was saying again and again that he was Champmathieu, but his prosecuting attorney, the government lawyer, was proving him Jean Valjean. The accused lawyer said that it was not possible because the inspector got called by his duties to neighboring district as soon as the testimony is a written or a spoken statement saying what you know to be true in court, was taken. Means he was not in the town, that's why he was not available in the court. Now the prosecuting attorney defended the counsel, the accused lawyer. In the absence of the inspector Javert, he reminded the statement which was given there by him a few hours ago. According to the testimony, the man was not Champmathieu, he was Jean Valjean, and the attorney concluded his plea by insisting that the three witnesses should be interrogated again. One of the witnesses, who were prisoners also, Brevoort, was brought. He was 60 years old. He was asked to identify the accused. He admitted that the accused was his former colleague, Jean Valjean. He had worked with him. The rest two witnesses told the court same thing, that he was Jean Valjean. Now a major twist came in the trial. The accused lawyer said that it was not possible because the inspector got called by his duties to neighboring district as soon as the testimony is a written or a spoken statement saying what you know to be true in court, was taken. Means he was not in the town, that's why he was not available in the court. Now the prosecuting attorney defended the counsel, the accused lawyer. In the absence of the inspector Javert, he reminded the statement which was given there by him a few hours ago. According to the testimony, the man was not Champmathieu, he was Jean Valjean, and the attorney concluded his plea by insisting that the three witnesses should be interrogated again. One of the witnesses, who were prisoners also, Brevoort, was brought. He was 60 years old. He was asked to identify the accused. He admitted that the accused was his former colleague, Jean Valjean. He had worked with him. The rest two witnesses told the court same thing, that he was Jean Valjean. Now a major twist came in the trial. As the third witness finished his statement, a loud voice was heard explaining the name of the three witnesses. The voice had come from the crowd of people present in the court. The judge, the prosecuting attorney, Monsieur Bametoboa, and other 20 persons recognized him and exclaimed at once, he was Monsieur Madeleine. Bametoboa is a minor character who is a sadist, arrogant, and bad man. Madeleine went near to the three witnesses and asked whether they recognized him or not. The three were surprised and confused also, and didn't say anything, but shook his head in negativity, which meant they didn't know him. Madeleine made clear in the court that the accused was not Jean Valjean. He was not the man they were searching for. Madeleine called himself Jean Valjean. He had disguised himself under another name and became the mayor of the city, a respected man. He had robbed the bishop, Petit Gervais. There were proofs for it. The ashes of the fireplace and the 40 sous coin could be found in his house. Inspector Javert could recognize him if he were here now. He turned to the three convicts, that is, witnesses, and tried to make them recall some personal things of each one. Brevet got surprised with the fact when Madeleine talked about the checkered knit shoulder bag. He told Chenildieu, the second witness, about his left shoulder, which had a mark after burnt deeply. Now he asked Cochepaille whether he had a date written on his left arm or not. All the three witnesses accepted the fact revealed by Madeleine. It was now clear before each and everyone in the court that the man whose name was Madeleine and was a major was the Jean Valjean. The appearance of him before court had cleared all the doubts and proved the accused was Champmathieu, and he was not the thief. Jean Valjean said that the prosecuting attorney knew where he was going, means where Jean Valjean was going, the prosecuting attorney knew it and would arrest him when he wanted. And saying this, he left the court. The man who was accused got discharged within an hour. Finally, he was recognized that he was Champmathieu. Going his way, thought that all men were mad. Hello, the way I taught, the way I explained the story, hope you will like it. How much you like it, let me know in the comment box, means write me in the comment box so that I can improve next time the video much and much. Thank you so much for watching the video.